Welcome back Silver Punks, and in today's video we're going to melt down some silver skulls. We're going to do it in real time so you can see the whole process, so we can make some silver grain and then make some more cool stuff. Sit back and enjoy. Right Silver Punks, welcome back, and today's little video we're going to do some melting down because unfortunately we need the silver. We've got another project we need the silver for, so unfortunately we need to melt some down. So I'm going to melt this guy down just so we can recycle the silver. And as you can see, this is a little skull bar we did. If you've seen some of our videos before, you'd have seen these. So yeah, we've got 3 little prototypes we're melting down because, as I said, we need the silver. We're only a small channel, so we do need to recycle the bits and pieces so we can continue making videos for you guys. So it is a bit of a shame to destroy some work, but it is what it is. So with no further ado, I'll get the matte gas and the torch and get it melted down. And if you do like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to us because it does help. Every little helps, so we can buy more grain or whatever down the line. It'll all help grow the channel. So here we go then. Let's get straight in to melting down this little schoolboy. Let's have it. I'll just get a little bit poured off now. It's quite a bit in there, so I'll get a bit poured off to make a bit of shot, as I explained, so we can go again. Here we go, guys, that's the first scully done. So I'll grab the next one. It just kicked over there. There you go. Right, let's get the second one on. Again, as I've said, it's sad to do, but needs must. We have to we got to carry on pouring. If we don't reuse the silver, then we can't do any more videos. So here we go, there's the next scully. Right, we'll get that poured off now, as much as we can. There we go, in he goes. Right, I'll just dig out the last one. Just grab him. Let's have a look, where is he? There we go. This is the last one, the last scully bar. He come out really well. Oh. Silver Punk 62 in the melt dish. Are you getting that? He's a goner. Soon to be a goner. a big lump, this one. I did pour this with the actual furnace, so I'm going to drop a bit off now and then carry on melting it. Makes it a bit more manageable. Right guys, I'll get that dropped out. There you go then guys. That was a school meltdown. Hope you enjoyed that. I didn't really enjoy it, but it's just one of those things, got to be done. I mean, unfortunately this side of the operation, it's not like the judge who keeps all his files on his computer and he can revisit them. We know cost. Here we have got a cost, so we have got a meltdown to go again, but there you go. Melted down. Look at the colours, lovely colours in the dish. Dish needs changing, I do keep saying it. I've got a new one, I just haven't got round to it yet. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that and we'll see you next time.